Welcome guys. I've had the GSXF now for just shy of 2 weeks. I've done about 420 miles on it so far with no incidents to date. I want to tempt fate, hopefully nothing bad's going to happen. However, obviously the one gamble I did really have with the bike was that it only had a couple of weeks of MOT on it, 3 weeks of MOT on it or so. It's due next week, so I'm taking advantage of a day off to go and get it tested now, and hopefully it's going to pass. Certainly can't see anything that stands out as being a problem, so if there is, it's going to be something probably quite quite major, which I haven't caught, you know, like a crack frame or something like that, you know. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Anyway, impressions of the bike so far, very good, I have to say. She's an old beast. She's not got a terrific amount of grunt, but actually she's plenty quick enough, especially if you get it in the right gear in preparation for your overtake, etc. Rides really well. I've still got a little bit of a vibration from about 55 through to 65 off the front wheel. I've had it balanced. Could obviously be the back throwing the front a little bit. I have had that before, but mostly I suspect it's due to the fact that it turns out these tyres are 13 years old. So really, I could do with changing them. Also, I'm not going to rush into that because we've got plenty of tread. They, you know, give good feedback. I'm quite impressed with them actually. I'm a little bit cautious of them, with them being so old, but I've had no incidents at all, apart from the big bumps in the road. You know, I'm not going to rush into changing the tyres just yet unless they become a problem. Obviously I'm keeping an eye to make sure they don't start perishing rapidly or anything like that. Other than that, really happy. Oops, that made me mum. Yeah, very happy. My phone holder has come yesterday, my round mount phone holder with a charger, well, a USB port installed in it. Obviously I've got to hook that up to the ignition, so I will in the coming weeks, maybe a couple of months, hopefully weeks, I'll do a few little how-tos if you like, because the one fault that I found with the bike is that the fuel tap, I think, is leaking a little bit. Nothing too major, but certainly if I fill the bike up on my way home, well, from work, and park it up in the garage, then very soon the garage starts to smell of fuel. So if the tank isn't any more than about half full or so, it's not such an issue, but I think the extra pressure of that extra fuel is causing the leak to happen, and I think this is the crux of the starting problems that the previous owner was reporting. I think literally fuel was just dripping through the tap into the carbs and you know, flooding them a bit, to be honest, getting too much fuel. So I've got the new tap on order. It should arrive today actually, but I won't be getting to it today. It'll probably be a few weeks till I get to it. I also will probably upgrade the headlights as well. So currently the left light is dipped beam only and the right light is main beam only, and they're actually very good. They're very effective. I can't complain about them, but seeing as I have all the stuff I need to convert them to be both, so both bulbs would be dipped and main, I will likely do that while I've got the bodywork off to do the fuel tap. And at the same time I also have some HID kits as well, some Xenon kits, which were off an old bike, a previous bike I owned, and I took off before I got rid of the bike, so I may well pop those on as well while I'm at it. So it could sort of be a two-stage tutorial if you like. I mean, I won't do two jobs, I'll just do one job, but I'll try it with normal bulbs, and then I'll try it with the HIDs. And that should be a fairly easy job once the bodywork's off. I could probably do it without the bodywork being off, but it would be, you know, faffy. And since the panels have got to come off to take the tank off to do the fuel tap, it makes sense to do all of it in one go. So that's my plan. Again, whilst all that's off, I will sort out a nice, easily accessible switched ignition feed, which I will, to start with, I will just hook up this USB socket on the phone holder, but I will also leave it, like I say, quite accessible, so that when I fit some heated grips at a later date, I can hook them into that quite easily without having a major job on my hands. This is a type of bike that should have heated grips, to be perfectly honest. You know what I mean? It's a sports tourer. I mean, you should be riding it in colder weather as well. Heated grips aren't a massive amount of money. Daft not to do it. So, but anyway, it doesn't matter when I do those. It'll be months and months and months and months before I do those. But it would be sensible while I've got everything off to make that later on job a lot easier for myself. So anyway, that's that. I will let you know how the MOT goes. That's all I can say for now, really. Cheers guys, thanks for watching. Catch up with you in a little bit. Well, what do you know? She only went and passed. No advisories, much like the previous year's MOT by the looks of things. So I'm very, very happy, really pleased. That's a great weight off my mind, and just a cracking result altogether. I really think I got lucky when I bought this bike, I've got to say. Landed on my feet. So I'm going to go and have a celebratory cup of tea with my best mate. And although he probably won't be back from the gym just yet, I can wait for him to come back for a nice brew. And well, there we go. Like I said, I'll do some, I'm not going to say tutorial videos as such, because that's like teaching your granny to suck eggs, but I'll do some videos anyway of doing a little bit of work, changing the fuel tap and upgrading the lights, and you'll see those hopefully in the next few weeks, because I really need to get the fuel tap done. I may as well do the lights while I'm at it. So hopefully the next few weeks. Well, I haven't got many days off in that time, in all fairness, but we'll see what we can sort. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, and catch you all soon. Bye.